How to add video creator to Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add video creator to Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add video creator to Instagram, all you have to do is open up Instagram. Now whenever you're on your bio, let's say you want to add something that says video creator. Now for this you need to actually have a professional account. Tap on the three lines option there, then simply go to this option called account type and tools, right? So you'll find an option that says account type and tools. If you already have professional account, you'll find other options like creator tools and control. But when you're switching to professional account, you'll find an option there, right? So first let me switch back to personal account. Once I switch back to my personal account, let me just come back over here and let this to finish loading up. Now I will scroll down and then I will go to account type and tools. I will select switch to professional account. I'll tap on continue. Then here, this is the main part. You have to search for video creator as your title. Then you'll find it, and to display it on your bio you have to turn on this option called display on profile. If you don't turn this on, you won't find it. So turn on that option, and next time whenever you tap on the done option and then finish up with your changes, and then you reload the Instagram app, and you'll be able to see on your bio something called video creator. And this is how you can go ahead and then basically add video creator to Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.